Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 97 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, this volume, the progress report for the year 1983-84 is before the House, and members will have discovered for themselves that this volume is replete with useful information. It consists of a large volume of facts and figures, and it is hardly necessary for me to make a lengthy introduction. This report is the basis of discussion now. I would make only one request to honorable members. They will have a lot to say about the various aspects of our economic situation and economic progress of the country. We would welcome all that. They are entitled to make an appraisal of the activities. Let it be a critical appraisal, and I hope, sir, that it will also be a fair appraisal. In doing so, we will have to think not of today, not of the conditions in which we are functioning, but we have to take our minds back to the days when the idea of a plan took shape, when the proposals that are now before us and the action that has been taken on them was conceived of. What were those conditions? It will be very easy for all of us to recall the days of anxiety through which we were passing then. We were not sure of our food supplies for the next month. We were, as some people said, living from ship to mouth. We had a certain nervousness about our food supply. we had an account of frantic demands from all parts of the country to move food from one part to another and rush it to places where stocks were low. We had to import large quantities, spending large amounts of foreign exchange. We had also to give heavy subsidies, and yet people were not satisfied and they could not be stopped.